In this video, I will show you how to make beautiful video thumbnails without using Photoshop. So make sure to stay tuned because that's coming right up. What is going on? This is Muneeb from Design with Muneeb. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time over here and you wanna not only learn graphic design, logo design, but also tips and tricks of all kind, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss anything. So in this video, I will show you how to create beautiful thumbnails without using Photoshop. The whole procedure would be online. So in this video I will show you how to create thumbnails using canva.com. So let's head over to canva.com and let's just log in using Facebook. So after I am done logging into canva.com, I'm gonna introduce you a bit to its interface. So once the background has been uploaded, I'm gonna just drag that and drop onto the canvas here. I'm gonna resize this so that it fits the canvas, it covers the entire canvas. I'm gonna go over to the filter and I'm gonna increase the contrast a bit. I'm gonna go over to advanced settings and I'm gonna increase the saturation a bit, and this is something I'm happy with. Now I can go over to the elements, over the shapes, and I can add this simple square. I'm gonna just make it cover the whole canvas and set the color to black. I'm gonna set the opacity to around let's set 60%. It's gonna create the color overlay effect. Now I'm gonna add my pose. This is my one and only pose, so yeah, let's just use this. I'm gonna resize that and I'm gonna go over text and add heading. I'm gonna just add make thumbnails. I'm gonna set the color to white, set the let's set it to Carter 1. That looks good. That's interesting. I'm gonna just increase the font size and then I'm gonna add without, and then I'm gonna go over. I have already uploaded this Photoshop icon. I'm gonna place this over here. Then I can select these two things and reposition them towards the center of it. Now I can just go over to elements and use this one, this frame one, and I'm gonna make sure that it covers the entire canvas. And then I'm just gonna select the color and change it to a color matching with my shirt. And I'm just gonna change the opacity to maybe around 60%. So once I'm happy with my thumbnail, I just go there, hit the download. I'm gonna set the file type to JPEG and just hit download. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. This has been Muneeb, and until then, see you later.